So last year, at the mature age of 32 years old, I made the grown-up, responsible decision to take my motorbike license. And I bought this. It's a Kawasaki Z750 from 2009. Now, after 6 months of street riding, I decided to make another very responsible grown-up decision. Mr. President, a second Kawasaki has hit the garage. This is a KX250F from 2008. I chose this bike because it seemed like a good middle ground between a 450 4-stroke and a 125 2-stroke. The 450 would more than likely be way too much power for a complete beginner like me, and a 125 maybe wouldn't be quite so beginner friendly in its power delivery to learn to ride on confidently. But time will tell. What do I know? Absolutely nothing. This is the start of a journey that I welcome you all along to join me on. A 32-year-old who is making very grown-up decisions. And now his first ride just out in the forest before taking it to a motocross track. I figure this might be a bit better to practice on first. We're falling off so fast, so that's good. Woo-hoo. Got a bit sideways there. To lean the bike instead of leaning myself. Too used to street riding. Sideways, through the surface. I'm sure this looks all terribly boring on the camera, but I'm enjoying it. I'm over drifting with my hands already. I'm already getting arm pumped. I haven't actually ridden this before, so I probably shouldn't go too fast. All clear? Well, there's neutral. Bound to happen sooner or later. Already forgotten where I came out. I need to get into the habit of squeezing my knees against the bike when I'm sitting down as well. Take the load off my hands so I don't get arm pumped straight away. I need to keep my eyes up. I'm looking like a meter in front of me, which is like 3 foot or something. I really need to look even further ahead. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Front end almost washed out on me there. Woo! Probably better to stand, to be honest, with all this. Oh, this was a good purchase. This was a very good purchase. I'm having fun. Woo! Ooh, slippy, slippy. Pick a side, pick a track. I lift up over it. Almost. Not going to be an enduro rider anytime soon if I can't even get over that little log. Whiskey throttling almost. Oh, there's a lot to learn. Now back through the puddliness. This is probably going to be incredibly boring to watch. I look like I'm just idling all over the place. But oh, it's fun for me. Trying to get that front wheel up a bit through the pudgy water. Probably didn't get it up at all, but hey ho. Ooh, that was fun.
So I forgot to record an outro. Forgive me, I'm still learning how to make a video along with learning everything in the video. But yeah, that was it basically. Just wanted to do this episode as an introduction into myself. Hi, I'm Lawrence. How you doing? Nice to meet you. And the bike, and taking it out for the first time out in the forest. Next time we'll be taking the bike to the motocross track. It's home, where it's meant to be. So stick around for that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Hope you have a good one. All right, bye.